Looking for Ethernet cables that deliver consistent high-speed performance without the hassle? These Cat6 Snagless cables are designed specifically for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, and modems. Perfect for anyone who demands reliable connections for voice, data, or video streaming. Built with standard RJ45 connectors and 24 Aruban fluorines stranded bare copper conductors, these cables follow the TSB 568B wiring scheme, ensuring compatibility with most networking setups. Their unshielded twisted pair design supports bandwidth-intensive applications, making them ideal for fast Ethernet and Gigabit networks. What sets these cables apart is the molded snagless boot. It prevents cable snags during installation and adds extra strain relief, protecting your connections from wear and tear. This thoughtful design means fewer interruptions and longer-lasting cables, which matters when you're managing critical network infrastructure. These cables meet all Cat6 TIA, EIA 568B2. 1. Draft 9 standards, drastically reducing impedance and structural return loss, SRL. In plain terms, that translates to clearer signals and fewer errors compared to standard 100 MHz wires. If you're upgrading your network or setting up a new system, this level of quality makes a noticeable difference. From IT professionals to tech enthusiasts, the feedback is clear. These cables feel thick, sturdy, and built to last. One experienced network technician noted that they represent the quality Cat5 cables should have been, offering peace of mind for anyone relying on stable, high-performance connections. If you're tired of unreliable cables that slow you down or cause frustrating disconnects, these Cat6 Snagless cables are worth a look. They combine durability with technical precision, ensuring your network runs smoothly no matter how demanding the task. Ready to upgrade your network with cables that work as hard as you do? These Cat6 Snagless Ethernet cables offer a simple, effective solution that supports voice, data, and video distribution with confidence. Try them when you're ready to experience hassle-free installation and top-tier performance.